Given the level of rates, where else are you going to go?
There is no alternative. That's the alternative. So you buy the companies you understand. Hopefully they have a dividend.
Right.
And even a 2% dividend may seem ridiculous to equity investors. To the rest of the world, that's a very good payout.
I'm going to jump. Get ready for Bob Ben Moshe. Top of the hour, AIG earnings out. I'll see you tomorrow.
Look forward to that.
See you, Ben.
See you later. Tomorrow we get the jobs number for last month. Nobody's got very high expectations for that right now.
Yeah, especially after the ADP number. My preference is the ADP number. I think the correlation takes a little bit of time to work its way out, but from the private sector and not having to worry about how the BLS gets to play with their
Bureau
numbers.
of Labor Statistics, right?
I think that's an indication that things are they're better, but not great.
But here again, even as we've been talking about, even if we get a bad number tomorrow, couldn't the market say, well, good, because the Fed's going to help us out here tomorrow?
We're backstopped around the world. Not only do we have central banks supporting their own markets, but now we have stories of central banks buying equities. That is just bizarre to me. But the fact of the matter is that you can't fight this tape. You get hurt pretty good.
Tough to act as a trader when even the fundamentals won't help you figure out which way this market's going to go.
Absolutely. That's why I said I missed the last 50 points. I'll tell anybody who wants to know that's the truth in my hand. But do I think it goes higher eventually? Yes. But you can't have these runs straight up the way we've been having.
Right. Sleep well tonight.
Thank you.
See you later. Ben Willis there. So we are going out with a gain, gaining back much of what we lost yesterday. They bought the dip after all, didn't they? The Dow finishing up about 128 points after a 128-point decline on the first day of May. That'll do it for the first hour of the closing bell. Stick around for those important earnings and the exclusive interview with the CEO of AIG coming up with Maria Bartiromo. I'll see you tomorrow.
And it is 4 o'clock on Wall Street. Do you know where your money is? Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the closing bell. I'm Maria Bartiromo at the New York Stock Exchange. Well, it was sort of like yesterday never happened. The market rallying today, gaining back all of yesterday's losses. Today, here's a look at how we're finishing today on the street. The Dow Jones Industrial Average higher in the triple digits, up 129 points. Yesterday, we were down 127. 14,830 last trade in the Dow. The volume, not great once again. 602 million shares at the big board. NASDAQ Composite picked up 41.5 points for a change. Technology seems to be taking the lead here, and that was definitely one of the better performing sectors today. 33.40 last trade on NASDAQ, and the S&P 500 up about 15 points, nearly 1% at 1597. Is there more upside from here? About 15% more, according to Rob Lutz. He thinks equities are way undervalued, and he sees more upside from here. He joins me right now, along with Heather Hughes from Sun America Funds. Good to see you both. Thanks for joining us. So, Rob, 15% from here. How do you get there?
Well, I think everyone's got a common mistake investors make